guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to assemble these two babies over here. Today we are going to mount two toy organizers. So one is smaller than the other one because I need one small one in Giselle's room and one big one in the living room, because right now she has a big plastic container and all her toys are stuffed inside, and I was like, no. First of all, it's taking too much space, and second of all, I think the toy organizer is better. And before we head on with this video, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to do that right now before we head on with this video. Alright guys, so let's get to it. Guys, I forgot. I actually bought this drill online. I bought it on Amazon, and I think this is gonna be helpful for a lot of things in the house because I'm tired of doing it with my bare hands. My hands are such in pain. I look like I have man hands at the end of the day when I'm putting something together. So I went ahead and bought this little baby. So if you're interested in purchasing it, I will also link this down below. Finished with one toy organizer, and as you can see, it was super easy and super quick because I used this wireless drill, and this is working wonders. Like, everyone needs to have one of these in your house. Alright guys, so let's start toy organizer number 2. this is done. So this came with the big toy organizer, but I have these two that I bought separately, which I will also link down below in the description. I think it's very important to have these. It's to hold your furniture against the wall, so like the kid, if it's playing with it, it won't fall on them. And I think this is something very important to have. I don't know why they didn't put one for the small one, because the small one can fall too, even though it's shorter, but I feel like it should still have one too. So I'm definitely gonna mount this one for the living room, and I'll show you guys how I do it. And then I'm also gonna do the same in Giselle's bedroom, so that way I don't have to worry about anything falling down. But yeah, I will definitely link the whole box that I bought separately down below in the description, so you guys can get these because they're so important. I literally use those for all the furnitures in her bedroom. Okay, so I'm finished with one. As you can see, I'm gonna add something like a little bucket for kids, like a toy organizer, but a small one, I'll show you guys after. But I'm gonna add that one at the end to put all the bigger toys, because I feel like she's too little still to grab the heavy ones from the top or whatever. So I'm just gonna put that in something else. But other than that, it's pretty much done. And now I'm just gonna finish up the one in the bedroom, and then I'll show you the final results. So this is my final project. I have two of them, and at the end of the video I'm going to show you guys exactly how it looks like. I think those are very practical. And so the two other things that I was going to tell you about was I used to put her toys in here, and these I got them on Amazon for $10 I believe, so I will also link this down below. I think they're practical and also very cool to use. I just wanted this here instead, but I will use them still for the bigger toys, which won't fit on the rack, and it's a little heavy. I'll just keep her heavy toys in here. Oh, and the other thing I wanted to tell you was what I bought separately. It's called the furniture strap. So those are very important. It's to hold your furnitures on the wall, like God forbid if there's an earthquake or anything like that, or like I said, if your kid is able to like reach to something and then they can like fall back with the furniture, it's very important to have these. I will also link these two toy organizers down below in my description. But yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a good day. Bye.